Welcome to my new course on getting started with the Chat GPT API. In this course, we are going to see how to use the API behind Chat GPT by creating a mobile chatbot application. We will use Node.js and React Native to create the mobile app and the powerful backend that sits behind Chat GPT. To fully grasp this course, you should be at least familiar with a programming language, preferably JavaScript, as we will use JavaScript in our React Native app. Also, it would be good to know how HTTP APIs work, and a bit about the basic HTTP methods like get, post, and put. If you don't know any of that, I recommend you my course, API Backend Testing, which is available at the shop of my website, bitheap.tech. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use the API and integrate it with your Node.js projects. This is the end result that we plan to achieve. It's a fully functional mobile app that can be installed on both Android and iOS, where you can have a conversation with the chatbot that's powering ChatGPT as well. Enough with the chit-chat. Let's get started with creating this mobile app.